So what we're going to look at are some of the different moon map theories reflecting the Earth or the land. Really the moment that you've all been waiting for. Now, there have been a lot of individuals who have explored this over time, and they certainly deserve full credit. Vibes of Cosmos, God Gev Lemsty, if I'm saying it properly. It's a YouTube channel that really explored one of the concepts that we're going to look at in definitive detail. So, what I wanted to start with, though, is let you know that I'm not here to evaluate their work. I'm not here to review their work. I'm just going to share some of the ideas with you, and by all means, you're welcome to watch their research as well. And believe me, everyone's already shared it in the comments multiple times. So there's also plenty of other explorers who have done this, and I also want to give credit to the individuals who did research this prior to the advent of the internet, because yes, these ideas have been around for a long time. And certainly not necessarily the credit is given where it needs to be given. So we honor them by continuing to understand the theories. Okay, so with that said, what exactly is the moon? If it is a reflection of the land, the Earth, then how do we go about visualizing that? Well, there is one theory that says that the entire moon itself is actually a map for the entire land that we are on. So I guess you could say round as in round circle. Now, there are many different variations of this. I just picked this one because really it's the most colorful and easiest to see. And what's really intriguing about this particular projection, so what you have here is this map that's actually derived by a shadow map of the layout of the side of the moon that we see. Now, I'm simplifying and I'm summarizing a lot of things because I could really talk down the details on all this for, well, really all evening, all tomorrow. But what you see here is this layout of the continents as we understand them. North America, South America, Asia, Europe, Africa, where, interestingly enough, Africa actually seems to be depicted at the proper size of what it really is, especially in relation to the other continents. How intriguing. Remember what we saw with the Mercator projection and how the size of the continents were distorted. Also, interestingly enough, on this map, it does show those land masses up at what we think of as the North Pole, or the Arctic. We have Australia down here, where we have many friends joining us, including Jamie, Vaughn, and others. And oddly enough, we also have Lemuria depicted on this. How interesting. Now you might be asking, well, if it's practical to reach this, then why don't we just fly to it? Well, going off of this theory, is someone necessarily going to let you go to Lemuria? Is it going to be so easy to do so? Now, you can certainly find the coincidence that air corridors are controlled. That where people fly and travel to, especially between the continents, is very controlled. I mean, you can argue that it's not, and certainly we have no shortage of pilots out there that are going to try to tell you that, well, sure, I could just fly wherever I want to. I'm going to ask you, can anybody really fly wherever they want to, no matter who they are or what they do?